service plants and orchids. You are seeing my neon pothos. See the neon color. Neon pothos is a type of money plant. Only thing is the color is neon, so it is called neon pothos. All the other things are same, only the color is little bit different. So if you keep it in sunlight, you can have nice neon color like this. In this video, I have grown neon pothos in different shape of containers so that it looks different. The money plant can take any shapes. If you keep it in a moss stick, it will climb up. Here I haven't kept the moss stick for this. I have given different types of containers so that it can take the shape of that container. This is a round container, you can see I am growing like this. This is a ordinary pot in which I am growing. This is another bonsai pot in which I am growing. Okay, some snail have eaten up because I grow them outside, no, in the rainy season. Some snail have gone in and eaten a little bit. So you have to be careful about the snails if you are keeping it out. Propagation is same as the other money plant. I will show you the, see, this is the ordinary money plant or the marble pothos, and this is the neon pothos. Okay, so you can show the you know the difference now. Propagation is same as the ordinary money plant. You can just cut from the node and plant straight in the soil. Here I have planted in soil only, or you can keep it in water, and when it is rooted you can plant, like whichever shape you want in that container you can plant. Watering is, if it is kept outside and summer season, you need to water every day. It doesn't like summer soggy soil, so but it like moist soil, so you can add little bit of coco peat to the soil so that it will be moist. In the winter season, you have to be little bit careful if you are in the north, living in North India. Just keep where it gets little bit of sunlight and warmth. Okay, it is a humidity loving plant also. It is a very good indoor plant. You can grow this plant indoor. Here what I am trying to show is the different styles of growing in different containers, different shape containers. So it will look good. See, three are the same plant, but grown in different containers, different style containers. I have a see how beautiful it looks. Okay. If you like this video, press the like button. Thank you for watching.